Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow Discord to track screen reader usage on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen, scroll down and click on privacy and safety. Scroll down to the bottom when you find the allow Discord until you find the allow Discord to track screen reader usage feature. As you can see, this setting allows the app to record when you use a screen reader while using Discord so that we can improve accessibility. If you want to turn it on, just click on this button on the right side. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.